Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Leaderstats Gaming here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Leaderstats script which shows how much cash you have. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I have already done a video like this on my channel where I do a Leaderstats script, but that's got quite old now and Roblox scripting engine thing updated, and it's made my script not work anymore. Alright, so this is an updated version. So it's going to be a time lapse. It's going to be very quick. It's very easy to do. So just follow along what I do, and we'll fix it. Alright, so let's start time lapse. Before we carry on with the script, make sure that Leaderstats is spelt with a lowercase l. Just because if it's an uppercase L, then it won't work. It won't show how much cash you have. So make sure you have it as a lowercase l. Alright, so let's carry on.
You were left behind, and I've lost everything. Forever living.
Alright, so this is the script done now, so I'm just going to join it in a game. Alright, so as you can see, it shows my name, and then it says how much cash I have. So I currently have 0 cash, but you can make it in the script, so every few seconds you get some cash. Oops. It's just going to be a quick time lapse. It's just going to be a while loop which increases my money every second. So I'll be back, and I'll stop the time lapse as soon as it's done it.
In the dark.
Alright, so it's that simple, but let's head into the game and test this out. Alright, so I'm in the game now, and as you can see, every second it's going up by 10. It doesn't have to be 10, you can change it to whatever you want, and you can change the amount of seconds that players have to wait before the cash goes up. So I only changed it to 1 just for the video, for testing purposes. But if you were in an actual game, it might be like every 60 seconds you get like 500 cash maybe. Something like that. It's up to you. It's up to you how much you want to give your players. Just letting you know that this script does not save your value. I will have to do another video on that very soon to show you how to do that, because you need to like do stuff with data stores and stuff. But I'll do that in another video. Alright, so if you learned something from this video and you want to see more, then make sure to like, subscribe and turn the bell so then you'll be notified when another video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out in one of my videos. Alright, so this is going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.